Welcome to Module 2, Anomaly Detection. The word anomaly sounds like some very important term in security as well, but primarily anomaly is a deviation from the normal pattern. When we study anomaly, another important parameter is the time. So anomalies are studied in the context of time. So we see the patterns in the time, the previous patterns in the time, and if there is any deviation in the time, then that deviation is termed as anomaly. What we do in anomaly detection is that we are detecting unexpected events in the system. Particularly in security, anomaly detection refers to the unexpected intruders or breaches. So whenever an intruder comes into the network, there will be some anomaly in the system. So for example, some port will be open which was not previously open in the network, or port will be open in a time when it is not considered to be open at that particular point in time. So anomaly actually refers to any method for finding events that don't conform to the expectation of a security expert. Anomaly detection applications are very wide in security, and it is primarily used in the system in which reliability is of critical importance. So for security systems that are actually monitoring the whole infrastructure, for them the reliability is a very important parameter or risk factor. Now, anomaly detection is also used to have early signs of the system failure as well, and it is actually used to trigger early or preventive investigations by the security experts. It is also used in the fraud detection as well. So, what we made conclusion of this topic is that anomaly detection is the need of each and every security control. So, for example, if you have a security information and event management system, anomaly detection is of paramount importance to that. So we are gathering logs from various devices that are coming into the SIEM, which is the manager of all the security devices, and it is performing the correlation. Currently now the correlation is done with the help of static rules. So those can be done with the help of anomaly detection as well. Similarly, in the endpoint security, when we are actually detecting the traces of any malicious file or the malware, so if a file is actually deviating from the normal pattern, that will be termed as a malicious file. Firewall also looking at the network traffic, and IDS and IPS as well. So all of these security controls require anomaly detection because they have to see the pattern of the traffic in the context of the time.